The year is 2026. The rules of investing have completely changed, and most people have absolutely no idea it's already happening. A year ago, I was confused about where to put my money. Today, after months of research, I can tell you the opportunity in front of us is unlike anything in modern history. AI has completely rewired how money moves, and if you're still investing like it's 2020, you are falling behind right now as we speak. This video is going to show you exactly where the smart money is moving in 2026, the trends, the sectors, the strategies, all of it. Stay with me for 5 minutes, because what you learn here could be worth more than anything you studied in school. Let's get into it. First, let's understand where we actually are right now. Artificial intelligence now influences over 60% of all global market movements in 2026. AI-integrated companies in the S&P 500 have outperformed non-AI companies by 240% over the last 3 years. That gap is only accelerating. Three forces are driving every major market movement right now: AI infrastructure, semiconductor supply chains, and data monetization. Remember those three things. With interest rates finally stabilizing, capital that was sitting on the sidelines for 2 years is flooding back into growth assets. The dam just broke. The question is no longer whether AI will dominate markets. It already does. The only question that matters now is, are you positioned to benefit from it? There are 5 core AI investment sectors that every serious investor needs to understand right now. 5 sectors, 5 different opportunities, 5 different risk levels. Sector 1, AI infrastructure. We're talking data centers, power systems, fiber networks. Global spending is projected to hit $800 billion by the end of 2026 alone. Sector 2, semiconductors. Every AI system needs chips. Demand is so far ahead of supply right now that chip companies are essentially printing money. This is the oil of 2026. Sector 3, AI software and platforms. From enterprise automation to AI agents that run entire business operations, the software layer is where the recurring revenue lives. Sector 4, AI in healthcare. Drug discovery, diagnostic tools, robotic surgery. This sector is projected to be a $400 billion market by 2027, and it's barely started. Sector 5, AI-powered energy. Running these AI systems requires enormous power. The companies solving the energy problem for AI are becoming some of the best investments of the decade. These 5 sectors don't operate in isolation. They feed each other. When one grows, it pulls the others up. That's what makes this moment in market history so extraordinary. When I restructured my portfolio for 2026, I made sure to have exposure across all 5, because betting on just one is a risk I wasn't willing to take. Now let's talk strategy, because knowing what to invest in is only half the equation. How you invest matters just as much, especially in a market this fast-moving. Strategy 1, AI-focused ETFs. If you don't want to pick individual stocks, AI ETFs give you broad exposure to the entire sector with one single purchase. Low maintenance, high relevance. Strategy 2, individual AI stocks. Higher risk, higher reward. If you do your research and identify the right companies early, the returns can be generational, but homework is non-negotiable. Strategy 3, dollar cost averaging. Invest a fixed amount every single month no matter what the market does. This removes emotion from the equation entirely, and emotion is the #1 wealth killer. Strategy 4, private AI companies and startups. Platforms like AngelList now give regular investors access to pre-IPO AI companies. The risk is higher, but so is the upside potential. Here is the single most important investing rule of 2026. Never put money into something you don't understand. AI is exciting, but excitement without education is just gambling with extra steps. Now, I have to talk about the risks, because any investor who only shows you the upside is either lying to you or lying to themselves. Both are dangerous. Risk 1, valuation bubbles.
Some AI stocks are priced for perfection in a world that is never perfect. When expectations aren't met, the correction can be swift and brutal. Risk 2, regulation. Governments around the world are catching up to AI fast. New laws in the EU, USA, and China could overnight change which companies thrive and which collapse. Risk 3, geopolitics. The USA-China technology war is intensifying in 2026. Semiconductor supply chains are vulnerable. A single political decision can move markets 10% overnight. Risk 4, social and economic disruption. As AI replaces jobs at scale, the political and social backlash could create regulatory environments that hit AI stocks hard and unexpectedly. The answer to every single one of these risks is the same. Diversify, research thoroughly, invest for the long term, and never put more in than you can afford to lose. Basic, but most people skip basic. Now here's where it gets really interesting. Beyond the obvious AI plays, there are hidden opportunities that most retail investors are completely overlooking right now. Hidden opportunity 1, AI in agriculture. Precision farming, crop prediction, supply chain optimization, a $250 billion market that almost nobody in tech investing is talking about. Hidden opportunity 2, AI cybersecurity. Every company using AI is also a target for AI-powered attacks. The companies defending the digital world are growing quietly but consistently. Hidden opportunity 3, AI in legal and financial services. Boring? Yes. Profitable? Absolutely. These sectors are being transformed quietly while everyone watches the flashier AI stories. Hidden opportunity 4, small-cap AI companies. The NVIDIAs of tomorrow are small-cap companies today. Finding them early is hard, but the research tools available in 2026 make it more accessible than ever. Hidden opportunity 5, international AI markets. India and South Korea are emerging as serious AI powers in 2026. International diversification could add serious alpha to your portfolio. Let me step away from the data for a moment, because the most important investing tool in 2026 is not a chart or an algorithm, it's your mindset. The market will crash. AI stocks will have brutal corrections. There will be weeks where you question everything. The investors who win long-term are the ones who planned for that reality before it happened. Have a written investment plan. Know your entry points, know your exit points. Know exactly how much you're willing to lose before you buy a single share. Write it all down before emotions can cloud your judgment. Stop watching financial news every day. Seriously, it is designed to keep you anxious and reactive. Great investing is almost always boring. Boring, consistent, and disciplined. All right, here is your concrete 2026 investing action plan. 5 steps, clear, actionable, starting today, not next week, today. Step 1. Spend 30 days educating yourself on AI and market fundamentals before investing a single dollar. The best investment you will ever make is in your own financial literacy. Step 2. Audit your current portfolio right now. Identify what has zero relevance to the 2026 economy. Not everything needs to go, but every holding needs a reason to stay. Step 3. Start small and specific. Pick one AI ETF, invest a comfortable amount, watch how it behaves, learn the patterns, then scale up as your knowledge and confidence grow. Step 4. Automate everything. Set up automatic monthly contributions. Remove the decision from the equation every month. The best investment habit is the one that doesn't require willpower. Step 5. Review your portfolio every quarter. Not every day, not every week, every quarter. Adjust based on facts and your plan, never based on fear or social media hype. We are living through one of the most significant wealth creation events in human history. AI is not a bubble. It is not a fad. It is the new foundation of the global economy, and it is still early. The people who study this moment, who position themselves carefully and stay disciplined, are going to look back on 2026 as the year everything changed for them financially. You can be one of those people. If this gave you clarity, share it with someone who needs it. One video shared could completely change the financial trajectory of someone you care about. Don't keep it to yourself. The best time to start was yesterday. The second best time is right now. See you in the next one.